everybody, thanks for tuning in. Hope you're doing good. I'm going to talk a little bit about pre-trip inspections before you ride. You know, you don't have to do a complete inspection, but there's certain things you need to look at before each ride. You know, your air pressure, your tires, you don't have to do all this every time, depending on how often you ride. I mean, if you ride today and then ride tomorrow, but if you wait a week or two in between your rides, then it's probably a good idea to do it each time. Go ahead and check your oil, check your tire pressure. It's good to, doesn't take that long, and it could, ensure you having a better ride. Definitely worth the effort, worth the time. Bikes are really reliable. New bikes are, I say new, I mean for several years. Many manufacturers have made many reliable motorcycles. Anyways, just thought I'd talk a little bit about that. Everybody who's watched, liked, subscribed, commented, I really appreciate that. If you ride safe. We'll see you in the next one.